This is the story of how I managed to stop my patient's mouth breathing and teeth grinding. A few months ago, I had a 5-year-old patient who was grinding his teeth every night, struggling with chronic sinus congestion and even wetting the bed. They had tried everything: nose sprays, sleeping aids, and allergy meds, but nothing worked. Finally, after months of frustration, they came to see me, and we noticed that the key was a tongue tie release surgery. That night, everything changed. Immediately, he stopped grinding his teeth, his bedwetting stopped, and he began nasal breathing, something he never did before. And his chronic sinusitis cleared up too. This is exactly what I do. I focus on airway health through early intervention and tongue tie release treatments, helping kids like him breathe better, sleep better, and thrive. Follow me for more tips on helping your child improve their health naturally.